SkyALERT Weather with Chief Meteorologist Gary Frank.
Overnight lows 52 in Imperial, a little bit warmer throughout the area as we see more areas in the 50s, even 45 in Quartzsite. And the reason we saw that was we had cloud cover that rolled in overnight, acted like a blanket, but the same token, that blanket kind of helped us stay away from the sun, or at least the direct rays, and we didn't warm up as much, around the lower 70s. Quartzsite staying at 69, currently 69 in Yuma, El Centro. We're in the mid-60s in Imperial and still hanging tough at 70 in Blythe. Temperature changed from 24 hours ago, about 4 degrees, and anywhere from 2 to 5 degrees outside, so it is milder right now, and our dew points up throughout a majority of the region, with the exception of Blythe, still dry. Now, it is still dry throughout the rest of the atmosphere, so don't expect any rain. I've had several people ask me that today. Is it going to rain? Because we don't have overcast days like this too often. Our winds are pretty light, but it's still too dry at the surface, so it will remain cloudy and cool between 66 and 70 the remainder of the evening. Here's where all this cloud cover is coming from, and as we look, we haven't seen any returns on the radar in quite a while in Desert Doppler, but this is not reaching the ground, nor will it, except perhaps in some of the higher elevations above 5,000 feet south of the border. Water vapor imagery showing this low coming up from the south. That's what's driving up this moisture. We start to see it feed in from the Gulf of California and the Sea of Cortez. Moisture equaling clouds for us, and it's going to stay that way for the next 24 hours. Precision cast shows by 7 a.m. we'll see a few cracks and then really breaking wide open by noon, and then even into the evening hours, just a few clouds around. So here's how your timeline for the day goes. 53 north wind, 5 to 10, and then we get up to 80 with some of those clouds starting to thin out, but they'll still be around here and there. It'll be a noticeably different day tomorrow, however. 49 light winds to begin, 75 at noon, 80 light winds as well. Now, future temperatures showing that we're still in place at a high pressure, and really the only reason we're seeing cool temperatures is because of that low that drove in some moisture. But throughout the entire country, the jet stream is still strong, and this is the main flow of pattern. High pressure really parked right here, which is going to make it warm, and out east still ice cold leading up towards the Super Bowl. So will we see it change at all over the next 7 days? The answer is yes, but perhaps if you like today, maybe not the way you wanted it to. 83 Monday, Tuesday, and then 85 on Wednesday. Warm, nearing records, if not approaching beating them. 84 on Thursday to close out our week, 82 and partly cloudy. Yuma, our average high still 70, and that's kind of what we saw today. We'll see 86 degrees with a near record high on Wednesday, and then we'll cool back down towards the end of the week. A warm stretch on tap for us, Manila.
Oh, awesome.